Hi, Miss Passi City.
Hello po.
Miss Passi City, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
I am Hannah Tiffany Carman Kristen, coming all the way from the sweet city in the heart of Panay, Pasig City.
Ayan. So, by the way, congratulations kasi natapos yun na yung long gown competition. How does it feel?
To know that our long gown actually takes up 60% of our total score, it is such a relief to get that heavy weight off my shoulder. I'm so glad that this day has finally come to an end. I'm so fulfilled, and congratulations to my girls, the winners. We are all so happy to be here today.
Ayan. And you know what? Alam mo, when we posted you on social media, especially during the upcycling competition last week, we really can't help but to notice how beautiful your face is. Grabe, that yellow gown. Ano nararamdaman mo na you're one of the front runners of the competition?
Well, for people to deem me as a front runner and for people to see my potential in this competition, it is truly such a big opportunity for me to say thank you to each and every one of you. I never imagined to be one of the very few people that you guys look up to, especially when it comes to Miss Philippines Earth, because this is my first national pageant, and I'm very grateful to the people who supports me up until this day.
Ayun, Pasig City is in what province again?
It is a component city po in the island of Panay and in Iloilo City.
Oh, ayun. So, what made you decide to join this Philippines Earth?
Well, I have always been an environmentalist. I was a tourism ambassador in my hometown. However, I did not know which organization to connect with when it comes to environmentalism. So when I got invited or I got the opportunity to take the platform of Miss Philippines Earth and participate in this year's competition, I took it wholeheartedly. I feel like this competition is somewhat close to my heart and is what truly meant for me.
Ayan. And since you are one of the favorites, does it feel pressure to you or does it add more confidence to you?
Well, I take it as a motivation because it's truly so amusing to me that people see that potential in me, especially at such a young age. I am only 18 years old. And I'm very grateful for the people who say that I'm doing well, that my performance is good, because at the end of the day, it is truly a hard work and sacrifice that is all putting it together.
Ayan. So, what was the inspiration ng gown mo kanina?
The color of my gown was actually green, yellow, and blue. It is a representation of a popular fruit in my hometown, which is a pineapple. It is made by Jojo Alfie de Samparados from Iloilo City.
So, mahilig ka talaga sa pineapple.
Yes po, kasi we are very rich in annual harvest of fruits in Pasig City.
And do you know na ang bukid doon, ang kanilang number one export ay?
Pineapple din, Del Monte.
Del Monte.
Yes po.
Ayan.
Yeah.
So, sarap bang pinya sa
Yes naman. And actually, dun po na napapasok yung advocacy ko because I'm creating or promoting a farm-to-table or farm-to-market journey through backyard gardening. I would say that I'm a very dedicated baker. So, yung mga produce po, such as yung pinya, ginagawa ko po siyang delicacy to feed, of course, the local people in my community and, of course, to share it with the nation.
daily kasi ginagawa mo sa pinya.
Oh, actually, before I used to do cookies. But then I moved on to muffins, yung mga yema.
Ay, wow.
Yeah.
Saka naman,
Sige, next time, pag nakita ko po si Miss, I will give her one of my baked goods.
exciting. I've never been to Iloilo actually. But Panay is, I'm not sure. Okay,
Western Visayas, oo. Um, yes po, nasa Boracay siya, pero it's like 6 hours away. Yeah. It's near.
Yan yung Guimaras is part of Panay.
Yeah. Pero it's very different places.
Oh, but it's still same island.
Yeah. Oh no, Guimaras is actually like a small island.
Yeah,
Pero
but
Iloilo pa rin siya.
okay. Well, I haven't explored the whole island of Panay yet. But
Oh.
hopefully, I will.
Yeah, soon. If ever you come to Iloilo or in Pasig, I would gladly take you for a tour.
Yeah, naalala ko yung talking speech ko ng 2020.
Hala! Baka kilala ko yun.
Dahil baka ikaw yung
Hala, no! Hala.
I mean, hindi pwedeng ikaw yung ano kasi minor ka pa siguro.
Correct.
Bawal.
Baby pa.
Anyway, going back to you. Ayun. So, you've already mentioned your advocacy and next week na ang ano, kind of 10 days from now.
Yes
Ano nararamdaman
po.
mo?
Well, I would say it's very thrilling to be in our situation right now, especially since the time is ticking and the coronation night is 10 days away. However, I will say that we are all working hard to become the woman that we are, and we're still fighting. We each have our own advocacies. We're each doing our own things, eating healthy, staying fit, pasarelas, Q&A. It is truly hard work that will be paid off.
Ayan. And narinig ko hindi ka pa nakakarating ng Bukidnon.
Yes po.
Have you been to Mindanao?
No.
No. So first time mo ay Bukidnon. Pero syempre bago kayo mag-Bukidnon City, muna kayo.
Oo.
Kasi doon yung ano eh, unang airport yun eh.
Yes po.
Anyway, anong expectations mo sa Bukidnon?
Mabukid. Very mountainous. I'm expecting very nature vibes from Bukidnon. But as from what I've heard, it is such a beautiful place. Tapos, I heard from a friend who's actually Malay Bukidnon. There are a lot of tribes. There are a lot of very culturally grounded people in Bukidnon. So I'm very excited to meet and to see them.
Yes. I miss Malay-Balay tuloy.
Oo.
Maganda.
Yeah.
One of the oxygen dense
Oo.
provinces in the country.
There's a lot of trees there
Yeah.
too, yeah.
Pero lastly, since Ilongga Guapa ka, what's your message to your fellow supporters in Ilonggo? Can you greet them in Hiligaynon?
Okay, maayong adlaw sa inyo nga tanan. Salamat gid sa suporta. Pagtutok sa akon sa Miss Earth competition. And thank you man sa pagsuporta sa iba nga beauty queens nga halin sa Iloilo. I can say that we are still very sweet, very humble, and of course, very hardworking.
Ayan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ganda, no? And good luck sa laban sa Miss Philippines.
Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Ilongga, sa Ilongga.
Guapa!
Grabe naman. Puksaan naman ang face. Grabe naman.